अगर दम है, अगर सचमुच में दम है, तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर, झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप। डोनाल्ड ट्रंप 29 टाइम्स ही सेड, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया। अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं। यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। कॉल जनरल मुनी, चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ, दैट मैन is having lunch with the president of the United States. He is sitting there. Our prime minister cannot go there. Mr. Trump is breaking all protocol, and he's inviting the man who has done terrorism in India to have lunch with him. Prime Minister hasn't said anything. Prime Minister has not said, how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office. According to this government, they have deterred Pakistan. And the mastermind of the whole operation is on lunch with the president. Mastermind. After that, the president of the United States says, reason I had him here was I wanted to thank him. I wanted to thank him for what? I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it. Let me repeat it. The reason I had him here for lunch was I wanted to thank him, the man who carried out Pahalgam. I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it. Very dangerous time, and we cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the courage to use the army the way it has to be used. We cannot afford a prime minister who does not have the guts to say from here that Donald Trump is a liar. That not a single neighboring country, not a single country condemned Pakistan. Not one. They condemned terrorism, they didn't condemn Pakistan. This is something that he didn't say. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का, तो यहां बोल दे। 50% होगा तो बोल देगा कि हमने डिफेंस मिनिस्टर यहां हाउस में कह रहे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से जाके कहा कि हमने आपको एक झापड़ मारा है, मगर हम आपको और झापड़ नहीं मारेंगे। हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कीजिए और हम मिलिट्री टारगेट नहीं मारेंगे। मतलब आपने शुरू किया और शुरुआत में ही आपने उनको कह दिया कि भैया हमारे पास ना पॉलिटिकल विल है और ना हम आपके मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर अटैक करेंगे। और फिर आपने हमारे पायलट से कहा जाके लड़ाई करिए, और नतीजा सारों को मालूम है। इन्होंने बोला पब्लिकली हाउस में कि भैया हम आपके जो मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपके एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम को हम नहीं अटैक करेंगे, और दूसरे साइड से आप हमारे पायलट भेज रहे हो, क्या होगा? हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे, राइट? सो द पॉइंट इज, एयरक्राफ्ट वर लॉस्ट, एज दिस जेंटलमैन शिव कुमार सेज, they were lost because of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military and air defense infrastructure of the country. राजनाथ सिंह जी ने अपने भाषण में कल 1971 और सिंदूर का कंपैरिजन किया, और मैं उनको याद दिलाना चाहता हूं 1971 में पॉलिटिकल विल थी। इंडियन ओशन में 7th फ्लीट आ रही थी, हिंदुस्तान की ओर आ रही थी, और उस समय के प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा हमें जो बांग्लादेश में करना है हम करेंगे, आप आ जाओ, जितना आना है आ जाओ, हम करेंगे। पॉलिटिकल विल, विदाउट एनी कंफ्यूजन। सुपर पावर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज कमिंग with its aircraft carriers, hundreds of aircraft, political will. The Prime Minister of India says, we don't care. Anil Chauhan ji कहते हैं, what was important was not the jet being down, but why they were being down. मतलब वो कह रहे हैं कि जरूरी सवाल ये है कि जेट गिरे क्यों। वो कह रहे गिरे तो ठीक है, मगर जरूरी सवाल है गिरे क्यों। और फिर उसके बाद कहते हैं what mistakes were made. The good part is we were able to understand the tactical mistake which we made, remedy, rectify, and implement after 2 days. And we flew all out. Speaker, sir, it is dangerous in this time for the Prime Minister to use the forces to protect his image. It is dangerous for the country. The forces should only be used in national interest. The forces should be used with freedom. If you want them to be used, you want to unleash a tiger, free him. Do not tie his hands behind his back. Do not go to the Pakistanis and say, listen, don't escalate. Then go all the way. Then fight properly and defeat them once and for all. Don't have President Trump tell you that I have stopped the war 29 times. Have the courage to tell him, no, to hell with you. You can't stop any war. We're going to fight. Explains it. And let me read the quote from the External Affairs Minister. Look, they, China, are the bigger economy. What am I going to do? As a smaller economy, am I going to pick a fight with the bigger economy? It is not a question of being reactionary. It is a question of common sense. Meaning he is scared. Meaning he is scared